Xfinity error code RDK-03003 means your X1 box or digital adapter has lost its signal from the coaxial cable. This results in a black screen. It's a no signal or signal loss error. We'll show you how to fix it quickly. The most common cause of the RDK-03003 error is a loose or damaged coaxial cable. Start by locating the coax cable connected to your Xfinity box. Tighten the connection firmly at both ends, where it plugs into the box and into the wall outlet. Check that the cable isn't kinked, bent, or damaged in any way. For prevention, consider using a high-quality RG6 coaxial cable, which provides better signal integrity and reduces the chance of future errors. Rebooting clears temporary glitches that may be causing the RDK-03003 error. Start by unplugging your Xfinity box from the power outlet. Carefully unplug the power cord from the outlet. Make sure to disconnect it completely. Wait 60 seconds to allow the device to fully power down and clear any temporary issues. Now plug the power cord back into the outlet. Wait for the Xfinity box to restart. The power light should come back on, and the device will initialize. This simple reboot process often resolves the RDK-03003 error by clearing temporary glitches. Step 3. Refresh your Xfinity signal. Refreshing rescans for channels and signals to resolve signal loss. Method 1. Use the Xfinity My Account app. Open the app, navigate to Troubleshooting, and select Refresh Signal. Method 2. Use your Xfinity remote. Press the Xfinity button, go to Settings, then select System Refresh. Tightening the coaxial cable connection fixes the most common cause of the RDK-03003 error. Loose cables are responsible for roughly 70% of these cases, as they interrupt the signal flow needed for your Xfinity device to function properly. Rebooting your Xfinity device resolves software hiccups. These temporary glitches can prevent the device from properly detecting or processing the incoming signal, leading to the error. A fresh restart clears these issues. Refreshing the signal performs a comprehensive rescan. This process forces your device to search again for available channels and signals, often finding ones that were temporarily lost or undetected. These steps are highly effective. Xfinity reports that 75% of RDK-03003 errors are resolved through this simple process of checking connections, rebooting, and refreshing. If the error persists after trying the basic steps, consider other possible causes. First, faulty splitters can cause signal loss, especially in apartments or buildings where the cable signal is divided among multiple units. Second, damaged coaxial cables can prevent proper signal transmission. Look for tears, kinks, or corrosion that expose the inner wires. Third, there might be a larger outage affecting your area. Check the Xfinity app or website for reported service issues. If the basic steps fail, the problem may be more complex. Try bypassing any splitters to connect the cable directly to the wall. If still no luck, contact Xfinity support for assistance. A technician visit may be necessary. To prevent future RDK-03003 errors, use high-quality RG6 coax cables. These cables provide better signal integrity and reduce interference, which can cause signal loss. Avoid oversplitting the signal with multiple outputs, as this can degrade the signal strength and lead to errors. Weatherproof outdoor connections to prevent environmental damage from moisture or corrosion. Consider upgrading to newer Xfinity equipment that includes AI-driven self-healing features for automatic error prevention. Regularly check your cable connections to ensure they remain secure and undamaged, preventing loose connections that trigger the error.